Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can easily make a blur and shake velocity edit in CapCut. So first just add your clip and also music to CapCut. Then the next step is just click on the clip and go to style, click on the velocity tab, and in here you'll find blur shake velocity, so just click on that and wait till CapCut detecting the music and generate the velocity blur shake to your clip. So if you want to use this velocity style, you need to add both clip and music to CapCut first, like I did. Okay, so just wait a second. Okay, after it finished, you can just click on the check icon and your video now will go like this with velocity with blur shake velocity added. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like and comment if you have any questions. Bye.